Make dinner with me. Tonight I am making turkey tacos. My favorite thing about this meal is that I usually try to make it on like a Monday. Today's Monday, but I make it at the start of the week and then I have it for lunch for like days on. So that is what I'm going to do. So let's go make it. I'm really bad with touching meat. Like it really grosses me out, and so what's great about turkey tacos is you can just kind of take the plastic and then just drop it. Okay, then throw it away watching it. Get a spatula, and sometimes even before I turn it on, I just kind of start doing this because I always get stressed when it starts getting cooked before I have time to like ground it. It cooks a little. I'm gonna grab the kit. This is the one that I use. I like the soft tacos, but they have ones with like soft tacos and hard. Or you can just buy like the mix and shells, but this is what I do. And then while that cooks, I'll mix up the powder with the water, because then you're gonna pour it in after 6 to 7 minutes. Powder, I usually used a bigger bowl, but it's okay. And then stir that. And so after 7 minutes, you'll then drain the turkey. You can sometimes do without draining it, but it depends. Sometimes I'll drain it, sometimes I won't. Just use your best judgment. Now that I've drained it and transferred it back to the pan, I'm going to stir this and then just pour it over and turn this back on. And you want to bring the like sauce mixture to a boil, and then you will turn it down after it starts boiling and let it simmer. As you can see, it started boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it down and stir it and wait 3 to 4 minutes, but you keep stirring a little bit. While that's going, I'll usually clean my dishes and sometimes I'll mix up my guac and all my other sides and stuff like that and get things straight. I'll do salsa, avocado, and cheese. And I like pre-shredded mozzarella just because it's super fast and easy. I'm used to making things from when I was in college, and so I would just want something really quick that I could just make before class. Okay, like I said, I make my meals for convenience. So usually for guac, I just do an avocado and I'll just mash it, and then I just mix in like any salsa, and it's so easy and you don't have to buy a bunch of ingredients. You can add salt too. And then that's how I do guac. Sometimes when I'm making tacos just really fast, I won't even bother doing that. I'll just put like avocado slices on the wrap and then just put some salsa also on there, and then add cheese and the meat and roll it up, and it's good to go.